The success that we are seeing today is not a coincidence. This is the result of a clear, well thought out strategy, meticulously executed by the government of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Let me explain the 4 pillars of this growth strategy. We in India have a very clear strategy of doing public investment in physical, social and digital infrastructure. Over the past decade, we have significantly increased our public investment from about 36 billion euros in 2014. Today, we are now investing about 127 billion euros. In the rail sector itself, last year we invested 29 billion US dollars, and this year our capex is 30 billion US dollars. We have added 31,000 kilometers of new railway tracks. That's practically the size of entire German railway network. We have electrified 44,000 kilometers of railway networks in the last 10 years, which is more than Germany plus Switzerland and Belgium combined. We live in an age where digitalization is a key part of our economy. 10 years ago, our Prime Minister gave a very clear vision that we must have a digital policy, a digital program where technology is democratized. That vision created the Digital India program. The payment system that we follow, it's called the UPI. It serves about 400 million users, processing almost 17 billion transactions a month, and annual transaction value is 2.8 trillion euros. The settlement time is consistently less than 2 seconds. I'll come to the social infrastructure because that is as important as physical and digital. In the last 1 decade, we have opened 446 new universities. That is like opening a university one a week. The second pillar of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's growth strategy is inclusive growth. We opened 540 million bank accounts. That's more than the population of whole of Europe. We have a public housing program in which we have built 40 million houses for the poor families. We have given free cooking gas connections for 100 million families. Our healthcare program now covers 350 million citizens, and we have recently announced free healthcare for all the citizens above the age of 70 years. Nowhere in the human history has been a program for inclusive growth of this magnitude in such a short period of time. And the result is amazing. 250 million people have come out of poverty in just 10 years. The third pillar is manufacturing and innovation. Through the initiatives like Make in India and Startup India, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has today created a vibrant manufacturing and innovation ecosystem. Decade ago, when we talked of startups in India, we couldn't count more than about 300 or 400 startups. Today we have more than 150,000 startups in the country, and more than 100 unicorns, which is more than probably a large continent. Mobile manufacturing grew from 2 billion euros to close to 50 billion euros now. Millions of jobs are created. Now we have started into the manufacturing of semiconductors, and within a short time frame of 2 years, today we have 5 projects on which the construction is going on, and about 70 billion euro investment will be done. Fourth and last pillar of this entire growth strategy is simplification of laws. Our Prime Minister took up a mission called Minimum Government, Maximum Governance, and Freedom from the Colonial Mindset. So these 2 programs helped us remove more than 1,500 archaic laws from the statute book. We also removed about 40,000 unnecessary compliances. Everywhere the colonial laws are being replaced with brand new laws which are in tune with the times today.